Hello smart people, Mr. H here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through today's lesson, which is Monday, January 29, 2024. You're going to go over Quizzette Day 1. Then you have 5 minutes to do Quizzette Day 2. After that, you will go to Delta Math, work on your quiz, Unit 5, Quiz 1. Okay, you have an hour to work on your quiz. There's about 6 questions in total. And then if you have extra time, you have time to do 2 topics on iReady. Okay, alright. Please go ahead and write your name on your Quizzette. Okay, problem number 1. You're going to solve the system of linear equation by substitution. So first we have y equal to 6 and then x plus y equal to 4. So we're going to do substitution. Y was indicated as 6, so you're going to plug it in. X plus, instead of y, you're going to replace it with 6 equal to 4. Then we're going to solve for x by subtract 6 to both sides. So x equal to -2. Okay. Now normally we're going to take this and plug into either the first equation or second equation. So it doesn't matter which one you plug in. In this case, you don't have to plug in because based on x and y order pair, your x value is -2. Your y value is given as 6. Okay. Let's say if I don't see this, if you don't see this, you're going to plug it in. Let's say you plug in the second equation. X plus y equal to 4, which you know x is -2 plus y equal to 4. Right? You're going to plug it in. Then add 2 to both sides. You will see that y is also equal to 6. Okay, in this case you don't have to plug in because it's already given to you from the beginning, y equal to 6. You don't have to do this. Number 2, solve by substitution. So y equal to x plus 2. So we have y equal to x plus 2. Okay, the equation already isolated, y already by itself. So you're going to plug in x plus 2 in place of y. So x plus 2 equal to -4x plus 2. And then we solve for x. So you have variable to both sides, so we need to bring them to the same side. We're going to add 4x to both sides. 1x plus 4x is 5x plus 2 equal to 2. And then we will subtract 2 to both sides. You have 5x equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. You're going to divide by 5 to both sides. X equal to 0. Okay, so you have the x value. You're going to take this, plug into either first or second. It doesn't matter. We're going to plug in the one that looks similar, which is the first equation. Y equal to x plus 2. We know the x is 0, so that will be 0 plus 2, which is y equal to 2. Okay. Alright, don't forget to write your answer in x and y order pair. X, y, so your x value is 0, your y value is 2. That's it. Number 3, so we're going to solve it by graphing. We're going to solve the same set of equation. Number 3 and number 1 is the same thing. The difference is number 3 we have to graph the equation. So y equal to 6. So here's the y value. Here's the x value, or x-axis, sorry. Y equal to 6 is the line go through the y value is 6. Okay, so this line is y equal to 6. For the second equation, you need to solve for y. X plus y equal to 4. We need to know slope, so subtract x to both sides. Y equal to -x plus 4. So that will tell you slope is -1 over 1 and your y-intercept is 4. So add 4, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Or we can do the reverse, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Then you have the line look like this. this line they cross as the point right here, which is x value is -2, y value is 6. Okay, -2, 6, which -2, 6, which we have the answer earlier is also -2, 6. So which means that the answer is correct. Now, hopefully, this show you the message that whichever method that you use to solve for the system, you will have the same answer. Which means on the test or quiz, if you want to do both methods to check your answer, you can. Okay. All right, next one, number 4. So graphing this, we have m slope is 1/1. Your y-intercept is 2. So at 2, you go up 1/1, up 1/1, so on and so forth. And do the reverse, down 1/1. Okay, so we have the line look like this. Okay, second equation, m equal to -4, b equal to 2. Okay, so begin at 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. Then we draw the line, go through it. Okay, don't forget to do the reverse, up 4 over 1. Alright, two lines cross each other at this point, which is 0, 2. 0, 2, which we have 0, 2 earlier. Okay. Alright, so for this Quizzette, as you see that you can check your answer. The answer of number 3 should match with the answer of number 1. The answer for number 4 should match with the answer for number 2. Alright, you have 5 minutes to work on your day 2 Quizzette. Then after 5 minutes, if you're not done, finish it at home. We're going to talk about it tomorrow. And take out your Chromebook, go to Delta Math, take your quiz. Quick remind, do not log in into Delta Math through Clever. Do not do that. You're going to go to Google Classroom or log out from that and then log in with your Gmail. I'll go to Google Classroom and click on the link. Alright, good luck everyone. See you tomorrow.